think what's important for me is that I work with biologics and biologics that treat rare diseases, so the patient focus is a big, huge part of the work that I do and the work that I've been doing for pretty much all my career. I've always worked with Genzyme's rare disease programs. I currently work with Bioverativ and their haemophilia rare blood disorder programs, and I think that compliance and quality will ultimately treat the patient. So Bioverativ is a recent acquisition for Sanofi. It's actually a spin-off from Biogen, who did develop and commercialize hemophilia products. It has been acquired because of those treatments for rare blood disorders, and that is within the biologics rare disease space of the Sanofi Genzyme business unit. So it was a pretty significant investment for Sanofi to acquire Bioverativ. So I think quality is everywhere. It's in every meeting. It's one of the themes of our operations platform. What's really cool is when we have our head of biologics operations, when he talks about what our pillars of responsibility are, quality and compliance are always right up at number one. It's all about communication. A lot of what we say and do is really communicated through emails, face-to-faces. It's not necessarily the quality agreement we spend so much time negotiating and locking down, but it really is in the routine meetings and knowing your partners so well to pick up the phone and just have a conversation anytime there's an issue at hand. It comes down to communication. I think it's that follow through, do what you're saying, what you say you're going to do, and follow through on your obligations. You can't just expect a CMO or a contract lab to just follow the instructions because you ask them to. You have to share a lot of what your business plan and objectives are and what your obligations are too. I think it's just going to get more complicated. We do a lot of outsourcing today. I think we're going to even do more outsourcing, and I do think our products, the mix of products we have, get more sophisticated. It's no longer just a simple small molecule. Now they become device combination products, antibody-derived conjugate products. It just gets a lot more complicated. It's been good. Actually, I'm quite impressed with all of the speakers that have spoken, and I actually like the fact it's not quite all quality, but there's a lot of the operations and supply chain focus, because at the end of the day, we all work together, and I've been to a lot of quality conferences, but I find this one to be a good blend of all functional expertise. I think one that I've seen here that I don't see everywhere is the lunch and learn opportunities, because those informal, casual breakouts, they're good to get to know people and just have an informal chat about how other companies operate. I think that's really useful.